the Golf Spotlight. I'm Ralph Irvin here in our Golf Shop studio, and today we are looking back to review our club champion fitting experience, looking at the club performance. That's right, we picked up the clubs weeks ago, and we have been putting them through their paces as we head into the spring. It's been wild weather-wise, but that's been fun too. In fact, the day I picked the clubs up, I played with them in the rain. Now today we're looking at the woods because there's an interesting story behind them. You see, with my driver, my fitter Kip Mungo determined that I was best off remaining in my TaylorMade M3 from 2018, but upgrading the shaft from a Fujikura Speeder Evo 5 to a Fujikura Ventus. That's right, he decided not to try and sell me a new driver, but just improve my current one. Why? Well, because it's the club that performed the best in the testing. Now on the course, the distance gains were negligible overall, but the driver is much straighter. In fact, my misses are obvious swing issues, a block or a pull. Those straighter drives are the real reason for the distance gain, and my confidence with the big stick is truly at an all-time high. Now for the 3-wood, I was fitting to a TaylorMade Sim Max, also with the Ventus shaft. From the first time on the course, yes, in the rain, I noticed a huge upgrade from the RBZ Stage 2 that I'd been using for years. Easily this was 15 yards further, and again a consistent ball flight. It was a shocker from day one, and I remain very pleased. Visually, it was also a big upgrade. Now, of course, these are just the woods. I'll have 2 more reviews coming up soon, one on the hybrids, one on the irons. Why? Well, because each one of those clubs deserves a moment in the spotlight as well. Now, for more information on TaylorMade Golf and the Sim Max 3-wood, visit them at TaylorMadeGolf.com. For info on those Fujikura Ventus shafts, hit up FujikuraGolf.com. And of course, to see how you can improve your golf bag and your game, the best place to go is ClubChampionGolf.com. Be sure to subscribe to us here and stay up to the minute by following us on Twitter and Instagram at The Golf Spotlight. And thank you for joining us as we continue to give you the information that you need for your next golf purchase. It's TheGolfSpotlight.com.